Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video, we are going to see a brief overview on the heart and the cardiovascular system. Ready to get to know more about how the system works? Let's go to the video. Before we start, please consider subscribing. Our body is constructed with so many interconnected systems. Cardiovascular system can be said one of the most important and vital ones of these. It's responsible to nourish the cells and tissues as well as removing waste products from them. The system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. Blood is a connective tissue in the liquid form. It runs all over the body through the blood vessels. The force for this circulation is given by the ultimate muscular pump, the heart. The blood moves in different pressure and velocity. These are determined by the pressure gradient, contraction of muscles, velocity of blood, caliber of the vessels, and also the position of our body. The heart is a hollow muscular organ which is separated into two halves and four chambers by the septa. The left side has left atrium and left ventricle, and the right side has right atrium and right ventricle. The blood is prevented from mixing among these halves by the interatrial and interventricular septa. The atria and ventricles are not separated by the septa, but rather limited by one-way valves, the atrioventricular valves. The right side has tricuspid and left side has bicuspid valves, which have 3 and 2 cusps respectively. The bicuspid valve is commonly known as the mitral valve. These valves are strengthened by chorda tendineae and papillary muscles. They prevent the eversion of cusps and regurgitation of blood during ventricular contraction. The ventricles open into the circulatory system, the right into the pulmonary circulation and the left into the systemic circulation. These openings are guarded by the semilunar valves. Deoxygenated blood coming from head, neck and upper limbs reaches the heart through the superior vena cava, and deoxygenated blood from trunk and lower limbs reaches the heart through inferior vena cava. The blood enters into the right atrium. The blood is passively and actively transmitted into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve by the contraction of atrium. Then right ventricle contracts. The blood enters the pulmonary trunk through semilunar valves. It runs into the lungs and gets oxygenated. The oxygenated blood enters the heart through pulmonary veins. Here, the veins carry oxygenated blood. The blood enters into the left atrium. Then, blood comes into left ventricle through mitral valve. The strong contraction of left ventricle pushes the blood into aorta through semilunar valves. To make the contraction stronger, it has the wall 3 times thicker than the right ventricle. The blood runs into the systemic circulation and reaches the capillary beds. Here, the oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the tissue fluid, and the metabolic waste products such as carbon dioxide enters the plasma of the blood. Then the deoxygenated blood enters the heart again through the great veins. This initiates another similar cycle. As we see here, the blood passes through the heart 2 times in every complete cardiac cycles. Once deoxygenated and then concentrated with oxygen. The electric impulses for the cardiac muscle contraction are produced by itself. It will be explained in detail in another video. Let's keep our cardiovascular system healthy with proper lifestyle and healthy diet. Hope you have found the video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Give us your feedbacks in the comments. Stay connected. See you soon. Have a good day.